Complicated trading is not the best. I've been trading for many years. I have used many trading strategies, and I have come to the conclusion that simple strategy works more than complicated strategies. Most beginners will use a lot of indicators thinking they are making money. At the end of the day, they will blow up their accounts. In this video, I'll show you a simple strategy that works. Most profitable traders use simple strategies that works. And in this video, I'll show you a simple strategy that you can use to trade any type of financial market, be it Forex, crypto, or gold. So without further ado, let's jump in. If you are seeing me for the first time, I'm JMJ. I'm a gold trader. I teach people how to trade Forex and crypto, and also I give people crypto updates. So if you want to receive trading guides and crypto news, make sure you like this video, click the subscribe button, and join our community on Telegram using the link in the description of this video. Without further ado, let's jump in. So when you open a chart, the first thing you have to ask yourself is, what is the market doing right now? This could be a trending market or a ranging market. If the market is trending, it means it is either bullish or bearish. Finding the market structure can help you to determine what the bigger guys are doing. You know you are a beginner and you have to find a way to follow the bigger guys. So that's why you have to find the market structure, and you can do this using the higher time frame like the 1 week time frame or the 1 day time frame. This will help you to find out what the bigger guys are doing for over the year, and you find a way to follow them. So right now we are going to find the market structure. I will know if the market is ranging or trending. So for this, we are going to analyze gold, and I will use 1 day time frame. Once you open the chart, you will see this is a zigzag chart. You don't know what is happening right now because you don't know the trend of the market. So the first thing you have to do is to go to 1 day time frame or higher time frame to find out the market structure. Now here's 1 day time frame. You can see 1 day time frame. The market was trending here. From here, the market started going up. The market tested here, tested here, tested here, and currently it is ranging this place. This means we have a uptrend. Okay, so this is a higher high, higher high, higher high. Now we have found out that this market is trending up. Make sure you draw your trend line accurately. Make sure it touches at least two places. As you can see from this chart, it touched this one, 2, 3. This means it is a strong uptrend. And also there is no touch here. What if the market comes and touch here? Something will happen. Okay, so we are going to come for that for now. If you go back, you see that the markets have been also going up. This means a very strong uptrend. Now we have gathered the information that the market is uptrend. Now we have seen that gold have been trending up for a while now. This means that the bigger guys have been buying gold. They are buying gold and they are still buying gold. So the question you have to ask yourself is, how can I too buy gold? If the bigger guys are buying gold, how can I follow them and buy gold? This is where we have to go to the 4 hours time frame to know what the market is doing right now. This will help us to know when to buy with the bigger guys. Okay, so now if you go to the 4 hours time frame, you will see what the market is doing right now, and you will look for only buying opportunity. This means you are buying with the bigger guys. Don't try to sell, because if the bigger guys are buying and you are selling, you can see you are losing. So always look for buying opportunity when the market is trending up. Look for selling opportunity when the market is trending down. And if the market is ranging, be careful. Now gold is trending up. Let us go to 4 hours time frame to see what the market is doing right now, and we'll look for a buying setup. Now let's go. You ask yourself another question: what is the market doing right now? We are no more checking the market structure. Okay, we are checking what the market is doing presently. For this reason, go to 4 hours time frame. Now on this 4 hours time frame, you can get the information, and you can see that markets tested here, tested here, tested here, and tested here. This means that this level is a very strong support level. Okay, so we are going to draw our support level to mark it. So I'm using MetaTrader 5 for this analysis. Depending on the app you are using, you can get this point here. This is it. Now you can draw it from here to here, because the market is testing this particular level. Make sure it fits well. So from this, you can see the market tested here and went down, came up again and tested it went down, now came up and broke it. Now it retested this place and it started ranging here and ranging here. Now this means this place is also a resistance level. So we mark another resistance level here. Currently speaking, we have gathered the information that the market is ranging from this support level to this place. From this place to this place, ranging to this place, to this place, to this place. Because we are always looking for a buying setup. If you bought after this breakout and retest, you could have taken profit here. And once the market come back to this rate, to this support level, you buy again and take profit as the resistance level. The rule is simple: always buy at the support level because this is a strong option. Remember, the big guys are buying the market, so we are also buying the market. But this is just what the market is doing right now. What if this market comes back to this place? If market comes back to this place, you can go to 1 hour time frame to look for a buy signal. Once you buy it, you take your profit here. And once it retests here again, you buy it and take your profit here. But what if the market broke it? We are going to explain this one right now. Now we have gotten the information that market is ranging right now. If we go to 1 day time frame, you will see that gold is bullish, but currently speaking, it is ranging. This means if the market breaks up, it will continue the uptrend. But if it comes down to the support level, it means we can buy at the support level. Always look for buying setup. So at this moment, wait for the market to break up. Then once it breaks up and retest, you can go to 1 hour time frame to look for a buying signal. This could be a hammer candlestick or engulfing bar candle. But what if the market didn't break up? If the market didn't break up but comes back to this support level, you can go to the 1 hour time frame to look for a buying signal. Always remember that all we are looking for is buying opportunity because the bigger guys are always buying. We are looking for a way to follow them and buy. Now, if you go to 1 hour time frame, you can see now the market is trying to retest this particular place. If the market retests this place, please don't try to sell it down because you can't tell if the market is going to break this place. So if the market breaks this place, you can wait for a retest and now buy it. If the market comes back to this place, you can wait for a signal, then buy it because we are always looking for a buying signal. The big guys are buying this market, so don't look for a selling signal. Okay, so you can use the 1 day time frame to look for market structure. You can use the 4 hour time frame to look for what the market is doing right now, and you use 1 hour time frame to look for a buy signal. Okay, so if you check this one, so here is a good buying signal. This is a morning star, and this is a tweezer's bottom. Tweezer bottom means the bearish candlestick and the bullish candlestick are quite equal. So if you see this signal in this support level, you can buy it with confidence. And also you can see that this is a bullish engulfing bar, which after this bullish engulfing bar, the market started ranging here, and after ranging, it broke this ranging and started going up. There are many signals you have to consider, most especially in support level, because you are always looking for a buying setup. So this simple strategy can help you to become a profitable trader. Here's the bonus that I promise you guys. First, when you are waiting for the market to break up, once the market breaks up, please don't enter the market immediately. It is advisable to wait for a test before you enter the market. But if you want to enter the market immediately, wait for 1 hour candlestick to close or for 4 hours candlestick to close. Because if you don't do this, the market may fake you out. Some people will enter once 15 minutes candlestick closes, but this is too risky because of fake out. If you want to reduce the risk of getting fake out, wait for 1 hour or 4 hours candlesticks to close. If possible, wait for the test, because once the market breaks a resistance level, that resistance level will turn to a support level. So it will always come to test that place before continuing the uptrend. So this is what we have here. The market broke this place and came back and tested this place. That's why it is still ranging here. But once it breaks here, it's going to retest this place and continue. This simple strategy can help you to become a profitable trader. And don't forget to apply risk management. If you're looking for a strategy that will give you 100% winning rate, then give up trading, because trading won't give you 100% winning rate. This means that most times you will lose, but most times you will win big. If you use this simple strategy, you will win most of the times. If this video is interesting and you want to receive more videos about this, including crypto updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, like this video, and join our community on Telegram. For now, goodbye. Good luck.